is Marlo, and I'm with Alex Kelly Gamer 360 here.
Hi.
And I'm
Wait, is it on that way?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hi.
And I'm doing a slime collection video. Okay, will you please close my door for a second?
Yeah.
Well, not for a second. Okay, so I have 7 slimes to show you.
This is. Hang on. I want to show them at you as an anime girl. No.
No!
Why?
This is a slime collection video.
Sorry.
Please stop moving around. It's shaking.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Slowly walk down.
Except, I'm not going to show you this one because this is supposed to be a clear one, but I made it today, so it still needs to turn clear. So, I died 6.
And I'm gonna be down here playing with my slime.
Hold on. I'll be right back. Play with it. I went out above that.
Okay.
Alright, so first one I'm going to show you is a plain, oh wait, this is not my plain white one. This is a white Floam. It's amazing.
Amazing Floam.
And I did a video on this earlier today because I made it earlier today. I love it.
Hey, can I use the hand thing?
What?
Hand thing that you're using.
My table?
No.
Oh, I get it.
Hand
That's it.
thing. Yeah.
To hold up my camera? Okay. I'm thirsty. Let me just drink some water. Tastes so good. But this reminds me of snow.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Sorry about the other noises. Sydney just likes to make noise. Okay, so there's my white Floam. Now I'm gonna show you my pink Floam. By the way, I'm just doing all my Floam first. Okay, so this is my pink Floam. It's so pretty. Pink is my favorite color. If your favorite color is pink, comment down below. Yas, pink.
Or like the video.
Yeah, like the video. And please, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more videos when they come out.
And subscribe to my channel, Alex Kelly Gamer 360.
Yep.
And hit the bell icon for me too.
Hey, how dare you?
What? I tried. Of course comes.
I have 26.
I have 10.
Oh, I have 16.
You have 16.
Well, I started like a month before you though.
Yeah, and you make way more videos than you.
Yeah. And lastly, I have my purple Floam, and then that would be the end of my Floams. Oh no. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. This one's kind of a hard one because I added too much detergent. Well, I'm not going to show this one because I have a feeling that it's going to get everywhere. Okay, well, putting that up. So next, I'm going to show you my strawberry burst slime. It's different. It's pretty.
Strawberry bird.
This one's kind of jiggly.
Jiggly.
Well, mostly jiggly.
Mostly jiggly. Pokemon. Oh no.
What else I brought? I don't really like this slime. Okay. So next I'm going to show you this one. It only has like a tiny bit of foam.
You added too many foam beads in mine. They keep falling off.
I'm sorry about that. You thought it, I added a little bit more detergent because your hands are way warmer than mine.
Yeah. They get sweaty after like 1 minute holding an Xbox controller. Nobody needed to know that. I'm so sorry I said that, everybody.
It's okay. Oh my gosh. Come on. Slime's kind of hard to get out of this.
Hard slime.
This one's kind of sticky, but I don't really care.
Okay, I only got like 4 slime foam beads on the floor.
Okay.
Like literally just 4.
No, I'm looking down there. There's like 10.
What? No, just now.
Okay. So this one's a pretty pink color.
Hashtag the slime for life, man. I used to hate it, but now I love it.
Yeah, since today.
Yeah,
You loved it.
I've loved it since today. I've loved it for since today.
Because I made her a slime and then she started to be obsessed.
Yeah, I started to obsess over it.
And then she called her parents for supplies for slime.
Yes,
For Floam. Yeah. Keep on going.
I actually did that.
Makes fart noises.
I don't know what the heck that was for.
Okay. Well, my last slime is my plain white one. It's just a normal white slime. I actually really like this one though.
Merlo, come here. Come here.
What am I making a video?
I'm trying to
What?
tell you something. I'm gonna make you some lunch. Okay?
Okay. Okay, girl.
I'm still waiting for. I can't explain to you. I'm still waiting for. I'm just looking for you.
Oh my gosh, I love this one. It's
She
not
loves
sticky
it.
at all.
She loves it.
And I'm making the swirl. Hold
The
on.
swirl. The
Okay,
swirl.
will you please stop?
Sorry. It's unicorn poop, guys.
I call them peeps, okay?
I mean, it's unicorn poop, peeps.
Even though I can't even eat peeps.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. I don't want to eat them anyway. Well, peeps, those are my slimes, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.